Hello and welcome to the demonstration of my app called Academia Breaker. The purpose of this app is to make the life of academics a little bit easier by automating some of the most tedious tasks like finding, retrieving and processing files coming from the archive, creating proofs in mathematical manuscripts and creating specialized summaries. And the most important feature at the moment, the context-based translation, where words are not translated one by one, but some extra context is given, so the translation will fit better to the specific academic terminology. On the left, you can find some bars where you can choose files, PDFs and markdowns, and on the right, we have a viewer where you can see them. In the middle, you can chat with the main bot, which we will call manager. The manager has a collection of tools in its disposal, each one of these tools being a workflow in itself created with LangGraph. But at the same time, it has access to the local folder, so if you ask for something that doesn't exist, it can correct you or suggest the right file. For those who have curiosity about how the app works under the hood, I invite you to watch the longer video where I also share some of the knowledge that I acquired during the creation of the app. I promise that I will come back with more features like automatic survey creation, but also my holy grail, a proof explainer.